dear students, to SDL Knowledge Hub channel. So if you haven't subscribed us, please do subscribe. And also share these videos with other children. Today we'll be looking at another prime entry book, the Sales Journal. So let's move into today's video. First we will look what type of transactions are recorded in the sales journal. In the sales journal, trading goods sold on credit basis are the ones that are recorded in the sales journal. So there are two conditions. It should be on credit basis and also trading goods. So what are trading goods? Goods that are purchased for resale. For example, if a furniture business sells tables, chairs on credit basis to its customers, then it can be recorded in the sales journal. Now, the sale of trading goods can happen in two ways, one on cash basis and the other on credit basis. If it happens on cash basis, it is recorded in the cash book, which we have already discussed. Now we are looking only on credit basis, which will be recorded in the sales journal. Now, for the sales journal, there is another name as sales daybook. Now, the parties who buy goods from the organization is known as customers or as buyers. So, when they buy on credit basis, they are known as trade debtors or simply debtors. So, debtors are an asset to the organization because they owe money to the organization. So the buyer is the trade debtor. The type of goods is trade goods or trading goods, which is stock, and the basis of buying is on credit. So in that sense, it will be recorded in the sales journal. The source document used to record in the sales journal is the sales invoice. As you can see, the format for the sales journal, which has columns of date, invoice number, buyer, total value, and ledger page, which is very similar to the purchase journal. Only difference, there you state as supplier, here as buyer. The recording of trade discounts in the sales journal. The trade discount is a reduction from the list price. As like in the purchase journal, trade discounts are not recorded in accounts. It is the after discounted price or after deducting the discount, the net value is recorded in the sales journal. Now we look how to post the transactions from the journal to the ledger. After recording the transactions in the sales journal, the total of the sales journal will be periodically credited to the sales account and to the respective each debtor's account. So the double entry will be individual debtor's account will be debited and the sales account will be credited. Now let's look through a sum how the transactions are recorded in the sales journal. Now we will look how each transaction is recorded in the sales journal. Supplier Nihal 40 packets of photocopy papers at rupees 300 each and 5% trade discount. So 40 into 300 is 12,000. 5% discount is 600. So from 12,000 minus 600, we record 11,400 in the sales journal. Then Sunil 30 packets of photocopiers at 350 each with a 5% trade discount. So 30 into 350 is 10,500, and 5% of this is 525. So when you deduct the discount, you get 9,975, which is the net price that is recorded in the sales journal. Then the third transaction, recorded date is 19th, invoice number 107, running 25 calculators at 500 each will be 12,500. Then the fourth transaction, again Nihal, 27th of June, invoice number 108. 80 packets of half sheet at 200 each with a 10% discount. So 80 into 200 is 16,000, and 10% discount is 1,600. So deduct that, you get 14,400 as the value to be recorded in the sales journal. And finally, Sunil, 30 packets, 30 calculators at 450 each is 13,500. So after recording all the transactions, you add down to get the total value, which is 61,775. This amount is transferred to the sales account. So the sales account will be credited for 61,775, and each of the debtors will be debited for each of the transactions. So in Nihal's account and Sunil's account, there are two transactions, where Ranil's account has one transaction. So this is how you record in the sales journal and then post it to the ledger accounts.
So hope you got a good understanding about the sales journal. So please share these videos with other children and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed us till now. So until we meet again with a similar video, bye for now.